Hello, Castle Crashers fans. This is my second Castle Crashers video, in which I will be doing... Let's see, what shall I be doing? I think I'm just going to do a couple boss battles. As Hattie Haddington, my favorite character, because I have Battle Block Theater. So, let's do one of the more interesting boss battles. As the Volcano in the lava world. There's the little demon men. Oh right, I still have my key sword. I should change that. So I need to change my key sword to the golden sword. So just beat the game recently. In fact, I think I'll do the final boss as one of the things here. Let's see. Where is it? It's at the very end, isn't it? Here we go. Okay, now let's move on to Lava World. Got him in there, yep. Right in the hole. I think I'm gonna go back before I do the boss battle and get the fire dragon thing. Shoots fire, that's helpful. I just got the purple knight or the blacksmith, and that's when I realized that the blacksmith was actually the purple knight, because that's when I actually looked there. Alright, the sandwich. You're carrying a sandwich, aren't you? Yeah. Alright, let's see what... I think I'm going to do the ice boss after this one. The ice boss is pretty cool. I like the creepy scream he does after he dies. Is that like half an egg? How does half an egg give me the equivalent nutrition of eating an apple and French fries. There's a lot of money hidden in these frozen people. The Necromancer's really cool. I'm trying to get him in insane mode. His magic ability is super powerful. Jesus, more with these guys. How many am I gonna have to fight? You know what? I think I'm just gonna. I got rid of them pretty quickly. Get this chest. Oh, there's food in it. Yeah, I'm not doing that. There we go. Here we go, that's much better. Sandwiches. Now, what's next? Oh, I don't really need this food. Yep, now it's the boss. Let's see. Why can't I hit him? No, I can't. I just need to get higher. There we go. Nice and dead. Let's go up here. $44 kills, 74 gold, and 400 XP. That's a good haul. I'm gonna level up soon. frost boss next. Will give me a good home. I don't like all this slippery stuff. I can actually never tell if the ice boss is a girl or a boy. This part is hard if you don't have the orange knight. Now you cowards who shoot arrows at me will deal with the real stuff. Eat golden whale. Should probably heal, but I don't need to, but I just want to do that. This guy's got a lot of health. I mean, I'm level 48 something, 44 to 6, and I can't kill him pretty quickly. He's the second to last real boss, though. I don't count the ones in the castle interior real boss. This is when it gets annoying. You have to run from all this stuff. Should probably upgrade my agility. Not very agile or fast. I'll just level up. That's nice. Is leveling up calculated on how much damage you do, or how many enemies you kill? here's where it gets really stressful because there's like 50 of them falling at once. Come on, you lousy little. Oops. Let's go back to that. One or two more hits should kill you. There you go. Love the screaming. Isn't that the most hideous screaming you've ever heard? And yet it's so funny. Why is that happening? Yeah, chest. It's a lot of money. And of course it only rains down as so much. Okay. I think I'm gonna upgrade my strength. That should be more. Okay, just for the sake of it, I think I'm just gonna do the final boss. Here we go. Final battle. Okay, got one crystal. One less to worry about. Okay, one crystal left. Alright, boss one dead. Now is where I go to archery, which is named because it takes forever to do any damage to him. That's part of the reason that I need better archery. This boss battle just takes forever. I wonder if being beefy would actually have an advantage. Apparently not. It's really hard to hit this guy. He keeps hitting me. Yeah, that's probably the hardest thing to do. Are you doing any damage at all? Do I honestly have to use magic? That would be really annoying. This guy's magic absolutely sucks. Looks like I do have to use magic. It does do damage. More damage than usual. There we go. Wait, how come he's not dead? Dude, you should be dead by now. Now you're dead. This part's really annoying. It's easy, but it's annoying. There you go. You die now and then come back as a scorpion. Poops out little versions of yourself. And seriously, what kind of bad guy are you? Poop out little versions of yourself. A stupid looking bad guy is the answer. Because that's exactly what you look like, a stupid looking bad guy. How do you spin the little like things? Missed me. There you go. Should probably heal before I fight you again. Alright. Almost dead, and then I have to fight you one more time. Last time's hardest because I have this giant fire sword. There you go, take your fire sword. Let's be right here. What's his technique with them? Right, just shooting fireballs into the sky. So annoying. This guy doesn't have very much health, but he protects his health heavily. No, not this one. Oh my god, you just ruined the YouTube video. I have to do this over. This guy is harder than he was before, because I'm not used to him just blasting away. There we go, that's a lot of damage. I really just did this boss battle so I could see the credits again. Didn't really get to see the credits very much. There we go. Now I'm just going to watch the credits. Oh, it's the giant cat thing. And the creepy demon thing. And now the barbarian war. I'm probably going to cut this off in a real YouTube video. Now you see her face. And here's the weird part. The end. It's a nice little ending. It's creepy ending. Whoa, I want to go here and see if I have the demon sword of awesome. What's this? Is the demon sword of awesome? No, this is not the demon sword of awesome. Okay, I think that'll be all for today. Castle Crashers, final boss. That's right. Execute.